Controller drift can be frustrating for League of Legends players, but with the right steps, you can configure your settings to minimize or eliminate the issue. Follow this guide to adjust your controller settings effectively. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure your controller is properly calibrated. Connect your controller to your PC and access the calibration settings through your system's control panel. Follow the prompts to recalibrate the joystick and ensure it is centered. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Open League of Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the controller settings and adjust the dead zone parameters. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent unintended movements caused by drift. Step 3. Update controller drivers. Make sure your controller driver is up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers or use your system's device manager to check for updates. Keeping drivers current can resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Test in practice mode. After making adjustments, enter practice mode in League of Legends. Use your controller to test if the drift has been reduced. Pay attention to how the character moves and make further adjustments if necessary. Step 5. Consider hardware solutions. If the drift persists, consider cleaning your controller or replacing the joystick module. Dust and debris can cause drift, and in some cases, hardware replacement may be necessary for a permanent fix. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your controller settings to address drift issues in League of Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.